Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the supply demand expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. But in this review we'll be using the MetaTrader 5 version to explain the workings of this expert advisor. It is a smart zone-based assistant that draws multi-time frame supply and demand levels to help with trading, and the developer, who is Georgios Kalomoropoulos from Greece. The developer promotes it as a powerful tool for more accurate entries and easier management. I tested it on Go to see how useful it really is, so ensure you watch until the end to get the full breakdown of the supply demand expert advisor. But before we dive into today's EA, we have a free Forex robot for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free by using the link in the description below. So ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now let's get into the supply demand EA. It goes for 289 US dollars. Has 5 reviews from people who have bought it, and it also have a 5-star rating and has some comments here and also good support from the developer who replies to such comments. Now, talking about the workings, this EA focuses on classic supply and demand zones drawn across multiple time frames. It identifies fresh institutional levels where price is likely to react, buying from demand zones and selling from supply zones. The system includes one-click market and limit order placements directly from the chart or trading panel, and it automatically calculates lot size, the lot size, and also places stops, including options at half the zone. It also moves trades to break even and handles alerts for zone touches or new zone formations. Basically, it automatically manages your trades, and the seller stresses it's designed to enhance manual supply and demand trading rather than being a hands-off robot. It works great on gold, forex pairs, and other assets. And let's talk about the key features and settings which they market. The key marketed features include the customizable multi-time frame zones. Let's look at it on the MetaTrader 5. We have the multi-time frame zones with colors, labels, and these are hot pink, blue, gold, maroon, and also we have the nested zone filtering. We have the one-click trading tools. We have the alert options from narrow to wide. These are the nested zones. These are the alerts. And we also have the automatic risk management like the stop loss at half ratio and also at break even. There's also a convenient panel for quick control and visual customization to help keep your chart clean. Now, these are the default inputs from the developer, and I used this default to run a backtest on XAUUSD on 1 hour over roughly 6 months in 2025, and the equity curve showed solid growth overall, as you can see, and controlled drawdowns. It handled good swings well, reasonably well, when zones were expected. And also we have the settings like the zone visibility, the risk ratios, and alerts. All of this worked as expected. We had a total net profit of 46 US dollars from an initial deposit of $10,000, and we had just 40 trades with a 50% win ratio, which is at best, it's average at best. And control drawdowns, we have 0.69 at the balance and 0.83 on the equity. So everything here is on point, and this is the type of results we have. Compared to the developer's emphasis on accurate zones and streamlined execution, the tests align nicely, though it still relies on your selecting or selection of good setups. Now, my verdict for this expert advisor is that it is ideal. It stands out because it's more of a helpful assistant than a pure autopilot expert advisor, And the multi-time frame zones and auto management features are genuinely useful. And this is exactly how it looks on the chart. You can create a buy limit order by clicking the zone label next to the demand zone. Based on the colors you set, you have these on your chart while it's on, while it's trading. Instructions are everything are here on the MQ5 page, so be sure to check it out. This is exactly how it looks. The blue zones are just basically demand zones, while the red zones are supply zones. And yeah, this is exactly how it works. And this is a live example of how it works. From a demand zone, you could decide to buy, and the red line is the take profit, and it hits the take profit. And that's it. The red rectangles are the supply zones. This is just the supply and classic supply and demand, but you have to do some. The catch is its performance depends heavily on your own zone analysis skills. It's not just a set and forget type of expert advisor. You also have to be there to choose which zones you want, to trade based off of them. And it can face challenges during strong trends or major news events that break zones on gold. Now, this is ideal for traders who already use supply and demand and want automation for execution, risks, and alerts. And it's especially good for prop traders or manual styles. It's complete beginners without zone knowledge or people wanting fully set and forget robots should probably just pass on this expert advisor and go for other expert advisors. Practice on demo and combine it with your analysis. It's totally helpful. Now, like the video if you want more real expert advisor reviews like this one, and subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the next one. Comment below which EA you want me to review next, and I'll get right to it. And grab that free Forex robot from the description below. Trade safe out there. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.